Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. To viewers, in front of me HP Sprocket Select, and I'm going to show you how to print photos using this printer. So first, of course, you need to install application, connect printer to the application, install the paper inside, and then open Sprocket app. And in the gallery, find the photo you want to print. You can change the photos layout if you want, and then just click on the print button. And now just wait a while. Printer will print the photo. Okay, that's it. As you can see, Ryan Gosling's photo was successfully printed and it looks really beautiful. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!